But again, one had to think about this business of creating developing some spiritual life. Now, here, I was very fortunate indeed, because I'd been brought up as an Anglican, as it happens. That was my tradition. I'm brought up with the Book of Common Prayer. Now, no longer do we have the old Book of Common Prayer, but as a boy and as a chorister, we went through that book week after week after week until it had imprinted itself in my mind. Now, years later, when I had no books, I could remember Psalms. I could remember the collects of the church. Lighten our darkness, we beseech thee, O Lord, and by thy great mercy, defend us from all the perils and dangers of this night. A small collect, a small prayer, and yet a collect with great meaning when you're in the dark and when you are afraid. I could remember the Magnificat, the Nunc Dimittis, of course, the Creed. It was all there. And I had this precious store that no one could take away from me.